Nazim Iqbal and his poetry. Nazim Iqbal, one of the most prominent Indian poets, writing in English. These famous poets of in Anglo-Indian poets. His writing and his life are very popular. Popularity of his on the world. These famous poets of Indian was formed in the year of birth in Mumbai 1924 in December. He belonged to the Jewish family or the test of the religious in Jewish. Jewish is the called of the Hindi in Yehudi. He is the run of in your blood of Indian culture and be educated in the at Antonio de Souza High School of Mumbai and Wilson College and then at Borbury College of London. London is the along west of his time is the interest of is the test in English of his learning is the origin of is a London in the test of is a London, so that is the return in India to be live in the Mumbai and he is employed as a test of a teacher as a test of a teacher in English as a Bombay. Early the test of the American literature at the Bombay University. He became a visiting as a professor at in Leeds University in Foreign, Australia, visiting of the many countries. He was invited up by the government of America under the visitor of program in English, and he went to the Australia as a cultural award and is a winner of the English of the Indian English. Nazim Iqbal's 7 anthologies of his poem. First, A Time to Change, A Time to Tend, and other poems written in London, published in London Press, 1952. And second anthology, 60 poems. 60 poems published in Mumbai, 1953. 30 poems is the main interest of his Indian. The third stage of the anthology is the called of third Bombay 1959 and fourth anthology is Unfinished Man 1960 and the exact name 1965 and sixth anthology Human in Darkness and the poster poems 1976 six. Last anthology 7 is a collected poem 1978 published from Macmillan Place and many are poems in the including of these 7 anthologies. In the poem is the name of Enterprise. Enterprise is the focus of the poem. Cultured, imaginative poem is the run of a poet's interest of glossary is the new glossary interest is the begin of his poem. Second poem, Philosophy. Philosophy is a great achievement in his life to be English. are the philosophical moods is the described of the ethical, cultural, and view of the many of poets, so that they are including in his the poems. And third, night of the scorpion. Night of the scorpion is this called a, a story of a very popularity of the traditional of the story is the called of one families is the middle, so that is the one a night to be cut of scorpion. Scorpion means be cutting a bichu, bichu, so that is the cut of a very marmot stories is the tale of next poem. Poet lover bird watcher, poet lover world watcher, poet lover world watcher. Poet is this described of a poem is the poet lover bird watcher are the similar creations, similar works. Poet is the imaginative, is the long patience of a hearing a collection of views, collections of new glossary, is the long patience here writings. So that the similar works of a lover. Lover is the call of the writer, editors, a long patience of views. So that is the not soon of the early decisions are here. So that a long views of the patience and wisdom of his the creations of his good works is the good responsible. कवि को, प्रेमी को, in this writers are described, so we are long patientful, ये बहुत ही लंबा धैर्य, patience is the need of years. So that bird watchers is this means of the hunting of the world is the called of Vahelia. Vahelias is the kissing of a world, so that is the long patience fools is the very costful of the hearing of a world, so that it is the long patience of is a good works. Good works is the collection of more patience, long patience of dues in his poems. Next poem, The Visitor. Visitor is the visit of a poems. Next poem, Background Casually. Background Casually is the popularity of the these poems are the very called of a in Indian poems. And the good next poem by Goodbye Poetry from Miss Puspa. Miss Puspa is this poems are the great achievement, are the Indian, or the popularity and successful of the Indian poems. So we are teased in the many are universities in India and awards are here. Next poem of separation. Poem of separation is this the new poem of William Shakespeare's is the visiting and the hearing of a good responsibilities. Next point in India. India is the covered of a many are cultured, so that is the view of his life. Very next point, very Indian points in Indian English. Very Indian points, very get of a given of the many achievements or the calling of the hearing of the many of traditions, many are the take of the cultures we are adopting of his the Indian English poems. Next poem, the company I keep. With the company I keep is the given of a group. Is the given of a group is the called of NGO. NGO is the welfare of the societies of this poem. In next poem, in the country cottage. Country cottage is the list of the many are standard of the view of years. Next point, marriage. Marriage is the many are lived in the religious, many are thoughts, many are traditions are the described of his poems in the musical poems. The marriage is the many are achievement, many are cultured, many are civilizations, many are including in the separation of his poems. Next, the loan. Loan is the loss of the poems in William Shakespeare's. So this described of is the poetry. Poetry is the popularity of the Indian views of his life. So that is discussed in the great achievement of his life. So that is the sunrising of his poem of his poets is the end in the words we are the poets is the passed away. Passed away 4 January 2004 in this India's way of the past in Mumbai. So that is the great achievement of his poets in the view of his life. Okay, so that is in my lectures, the Jimmy skill and his poem we are very described so that okay.